everyone, and welcome to our ACN Talk Show. So together with me is Miss Ivy, the School Ambassador of ICL Education Group. So ma'am, how are you po?
I'm good at masaya ko gawa ng isa itong karangalan para mas makilala si ICL Education Group.
Ma'am, can you tell us more about ICL?
Ang ICL Education Group, may under siya na school which is the ICL Graduate Business School for international students and domestic students.
So saan po yung location ni ICL ma'am?
Si ICL is nakalocate siya sa lively heart of Auckland City.
Tapos, ano po yung mga programs na ino-offer ni ICL?
Okay, so offers practical programs in business, business informatics, and early childhood education at all level of study.
Ano po yung mga programs na in demand under ICL po?
So, good point na na-question mo yan. So, the in-demand programs na kinikater nila ay mga master's program, such as Masters of Business Informatics Level 9, Masters of Business Informatics by Thesis Level 9, Masters of Management Level 9, at Masters of Management Healthcare Level 9.
Ano po yung mga entry requirements para dito?
So, the entry requirement, meron kasi kami mga featured courses such as the Masters of Business Informatics by Thesis Level 9, in which entry requirements doon ay bachelor's degree or graduate diploma in business, IT, computing, or evidence of relevant skills and knowledge from work experience. And second po is yung IELTS 6.5 or no band under 6 or equivalent recognized by NZQA. At yung panghuli namin ang pinifeatured is yung Masters of Management Healthcare Level 9. So yung entry requirements doon ay bachelor's degree or graduate diploma in business management or evidence of relevant skills, knowledge from work experience, and IELTS 6.5, no band under 6, or equivalent recognized by NZQA.
So ano po yung highlight nyo about ICL?
Okay, so ang highlight kay ICL is eligible for 3 years for post-study work visa, scholarships available, and flexible class timetable.
Since di ba ma'am, pag international students ka, so mag-i-invest ka talaga dyan ng pera. So gusto ko lang po itanong, may discount po ba if mag-ICL tayo?
Yes, good question. Si ICL is, ang kagandahan dito is may mga program sila na may promotion price discount sa mga tuition fees and extra $2,000 Australian dollars if student obtain NZQL certificate from ICL Bridge International College.
Ang ganda po pala ng mga ino-offer ni ICL. So, maganda yung ino-offer ni ICL and you can send us a message sa Facebook page po ng LIPA, ACN LIPA, and or pwede kayo mag-walk-in sa aming office na very convenient naman po siya kasi along the highway po siya. And maa-assist po namin kayo regarding all the requirements, the process, and other details po. So, yun lang po. Thank you po. Bye po.